Proverbs 31 women embody strength, wisdom, and creativity, making significant strides in their communities through innovative projects. These women recognize local challenges, be it environmental concerns, educational gaps, or health crises, and take the initiative to address them. From urban gardens that provide fresh produce in food deserts, to after-school programs that foster learning and creativity among youth, their contributions are as diverse as they are impactful. With fair to dark skin tones and various hairstyles, including braids and long lengths, these women reflect the beauty of their cultures while uniting their communities. They leverage their unique perspectives and experiences to develop solutions that resonate on a personal level. Their projects not only uplift the community, but also inspire others by showcasing how collaboration and commitment can yield remarkable results. The Proverbs 31 woman exemplifies a faithful mindset, balancing ambition with compassion, proving that when women lead with purpose, they can transform lives. Through their efforts, they promote the values of wisdom, wealth, and excellent health, becoming role models for the next generation. Their journeys are a testament to the power of community, creativity, and resilience.